You can continue scrolling through YouTube and trying all these different strategies, or you can check this out, leave your 9 to 5 and master the Hitman strategy. Why is it called the Hitman strategy? Well, I came up with that name because we find a target, we go in, we execute, and we get out. That is it. I actually, in one session, just 10 minutes, and I recorded the entire thing, I made $61,954. If you want to see the video, you can use this link right here, this button. Just click on watch demo video. You can do this too. Why? Because you're going to learn everything you need to know to make this strategy work. I spent months not only creating the perfect strategy for you, which is the 2-touch, which is the Hitman, you're going to learn the foundation and mindset, the 1 minute classic candle strategy. That's this one, the practical application, income replacement strategy, advanced techniques, and there's a ton of valuable extras. This works for anyone regardless of experience because I take complete beginners with zero trading knowledge and I turn them into traders. This is the only recession-proof, layoff-proof, inflation-proof skill that you can have, and this is the way that you can, without having to go through a full A through Z mentorship, although I do offer it, you can profit. You can stay where you're at. You can learn a simple strategy, replace your income in 30 days, and create true financial freedom. And I'm going to help you the entire way. I even offer a 30-day guarantee. Look, how many trades do you need? I actually have a calculator that does this math for you based on your numbers. But just as an example, $15 per hour, let's say you make at work. So that's 8 hours, that's $120 per day. And that's not even taking away all these expenses and the taxes and benefits, your commute, your gas, your lunch that comes out of it. But you need 5 trades at $24 each. That's it. Meaning 24 hours profit each. So if you make $25 an hour, you need to do 9 trades. If it's $35, you need 12 trades. Have a calculator, you're going to access it. It's really simple. Now, that's potentially less than 30 minutes of trading to replace 8 hours of work. Would you rather spend 30 minutes or even 2 hours of your day sitting on your ass at home, doing the dishes, spending time with the family? Or would you rather go to work and trade time for money? Because you can't make more money unless you work more hours or take on more jobs. But with this, you don't have to depend on someone paying you every week. You don't have to live paycheck to paycheck. This is the strategy that's going to get you there. And it doesn't matter if you know nothing about trading. I take complete beginners and turn them into traders. I was even at CVS earlier and I recorded a video, took 3 trades. I even did it at $5 just to make it super realistic. There was even music playing in the background and I was worried about copyrights and all that kind of stuff. But I'm standing in line. I'm recording my screen, taking trades. I have a 30-day guarantee. If you follow the program, you implement the strategy as directed, and you don't see results, I will personally train you in my exclusive one-to-one Trade Like Me program, which also means you get access to my mentorship. So you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. This is simple. And you can even learn this for free just by using the link at the top of the screen or down in the description. This right here is the full program. And watch this. I created tonight a weekly trading calculator. So you can calculate or simulate your potential weekly trading income. It's really simple. So let's say that we're going to turn this into 40. So let's say that you do $100 trades and you do 40 per week, which is like nothing. That's baby trades, okay? At a win rate of 75%, that means that you're going to take home $1,760. So your total winnings is $2,760. That was 30 trades times $92, right? But you obviously had some losses and all that, so it equals out to $1,760. But now let's say that it's not 100. Let's do 20. That's a fair number, right? But we do way more than 40 in a week because let's just say Monday through Friday, we're going to do 10 per day. So we have 50 trades at 75% win rate. That's $420. That's light work, right? But we want to replace our income. So we need to make this a little bit higher and we need to do more trades. I'm going to be real with you. I do trades because I'm always testing and changing things. And I don't, unless I'm doing a challenge or I'm recording a video for YouTube or whatever, I don't like trading high amounts. So a high amount for me is 1,000. My highest amount I've ever traded was 10,000, meaning in one click. Obviously, I trade trades all at once. Otherwise, I do like 400 trades in a day. So let's say that you're going to do 100 trades in a day at $25. That's 500 trades in a week. So we're not counting the weekend. We're still doing 75%. So that's $5,500. That's not freaking bad, right? You can come here and you can play with this. And the way that you get to it is by scrolling down. And it's going to be down here. I think I actually need to reload my page. I forgot to do that before I actually clicked on record. So this is literally the full package here. There we go. There's my weekly trading calculator. All right. This is simple. You can do what I did for 2 years and just become totally unprofitable. I've been there, done that. Or you can find something that works without having to put in all the work. If you want to check this out, use the link somewhere in the comments, in the description, at the top of your screen, the QR code. I don't know what I'm going to do in editing, but it's going to be somewhere. If you want to make money like this and you actually want to do what you got to do, because right now everything is kind of crazy out there, then this is going to be it. Because there's a quick start guide, trading journal template, strategy cheat sheet, the market hours guide, 30-day progress tracker, and there's a ton more. Like, I'm literally creating my trading resources. I have guides and modules and breakdowns and checklists and trackers, and this right here is a profit tracker. I have it as PDF version, and I even created an app. Gotta love my apps. So I give you everything that you need. There's literally no excuse that you could possibly have. So if you go to the link that I normally have at the top of the screen, which is semi2.co/TWK. It's going to take you to my Discord sign up, and it's going to get you free instant access to all 6 courses and my Discord. Why do you care about Discord? See, 66,560. You should care about Discord because that's where you're going to learn this strategy for free. And when you actually want to jump into the full program, right? There's a difference between a strategy and a program. Then you can obviously pay your little $97 and jump in. Why am I charging for it if I make all this money? Because I only want serious people in my program. There's only so much of me to go around, and you're going to need my help. It's pretty simple. I post here every day. The Leave Your 9 to 5 program, the information is going to be right here. I haven't built that out yet, so it's currently private. There's the mentorship info. You can share your trades on here. You can request a video for help, and you can also connect with me one-to-one or right here, as long as it's not confidential or whatever. I am going to, this is called the Hitman strategy, and you can learn this, make money. This is it. And I am finally launching this after building out so many different things here. If you're an ordinary person like me and you are tired of freaking strategies because strategies don't work, then you need to replace it with this. And now it is time for you to take action. When you're ready to get the full complete program as a package and jump in and replace everything that you need to and make FU money, then honey, it's there. So smash that like, subscribe if you haven't done so, and I will see you tomorrow either in a live trading video, which, hey, I finally did my first one, or in a regular video or a strategy breakdown. I will see you later.